Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will update Sanur area on September 2021. Actually last month in August I already update this area. But this month in September I will update again the situation in Sanur. Okay guys, so if you want to know how to like the condition at the moment in Sanur area on September 2021, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? I hope you are fine. Okay guys, now we are in Sanur area, so we will update the situation in Sanur area on September 2021. Actually this month on September, Bali is still in lockdown. You see left side? There is the way to go to the Sindu beach, but they closed because it's emergency lockdown for Bali. Okay guys, if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment and share this video because there is a lot of people want to know the update situation in Bali during the pandemic corona and emergency lockdown for Bali. Okay guys, if you see the weather today, it's very beautiful. It's very blue sky and very sunny. You see the left side? There is some shop already open. Yeah, I'm really happy to see that. But I know in this month actually it's still quiet, but it's starting getting better because there is more activity I see on the street. Load the car and motorbike drive around in this area. Okay guys, actually in this area there is a lot of shop and hotels. So that's why before the pandemic corona there is a lot of people walk around on the sidewalk. But I know it's very empty, but there is on the street I see a lot of car and motorbike drive around. I'm really happy to see that. Left side, hotel, right side, shop. Yes, I know it's quiet, but I'm gonna say it's getting better than last month, I think, because it's more activity. You see motorbike right side and taxi parking right side. Yeah, it's getting better. Getting more people on the street. Left side is a restaurant, but still closed. And beside restaurant, there is a Starbucks. Big hotel left side. And this area there is a lot of big hotel that's connecting by the beach. And on the beach you can see the sunrise because in the east part of Bali. Did you see? The tourists driving on motorbike. I'm really happy to see that. Big hotel left side, some shop right side. Yeah, still some people there. Okay guys, is anyone been here before? Also maybe you ever been stay in Sanur. I know it's very different with last time. I mean, last time maybe it's very busy. People walk around on the sidewalk and a lot of motorbike and car drive around on the road. But during the pandemic corona, this month is much better than last month. There is restaurant at the front left side. Famous restaurant. Oh, there is some tourists there. I'm really happy to see that. And on this area there is more hotel than the shop. And also in this area there is some cafe and restaurant. So that's why in this area it's very nice to stay, because easier to get restaurant and shopping. Oh, you see the weather today is very beautiful, isn't it? It's very blue sky. I'm really happy to see that. And actually the rainy season starts from around November until March. So that's why in September there is still look very clear. I mean very sunny. Yeah, you see right side? There is a lot of motorbike and car parking there. So it looks getting better than last month. Today I make a video around 13 minutes without skip, because I just want to show you how look like the real condition at the moment in Sanur area during the pandemic corona and emergency lockdown for Bali. Look at that, on the right side there's a lot of car and motorbike parking. I'm really happy to see that. On the left side there is the big hotel. You see at the front right side there is a lot of car and motorbike parking. Oh, I'm really happy to see that. As I told you, Sanur is getting better than last month. You see? Right side, there is taxi parking there. And this area is very green. And at the front left side, there is the big hotel. Oh, there is car going in. Oh, really happy to see that. It means like some people stay there in the hotel. Actually, for Sanur area, there is a lot of hotel, restaurant, cafe, and shop. But the shop here is not like a big shopping mall. It's just only one big shopping mall we call Hardee's. Oh, you see, it's very beautiful around here. And usually, who the people who stay in this area, I mean in Sanur, that is all people from Europe. Do you know why? Because in this area there is not so many big night bar like in Kuta or Seminyak. So that's why in this area is more calm, more nicer. Oh, there's a lot of taxi parking on the right side. That's good, that's good. You see the right side? There is a lot of motorbike parking. Actually, I'm gonna say like the parking area only in the right side, not the left side. So that's why a lot of car and motorbike parking the right side. The shop is still closed. At the front right side, there is a restaurant very famous. So that's why in this area is always busy, always a lot of car parking there, and motorbike for sure. Okay, now we continue driving to the CEMARA street. So we look like how the condition, how the situation in CEMARA street. Right side there is a lot of shop, but they close. Left side also shop. There's some open. That's good. Usually in this area, before the pandemic corona, there is a lot of people walk around on the sidewalk. Because the tourists who stay here, they go to the central of Sanur to do some shopping and go to the restaurant. But today it's look very quiet, isn't it? It's normal during the pandemic corona. You see left side? There is Canggu Hotel. Oh, I think this is open now. I'm really happy to see that. Some people stay there. That's good. You see left side? Trian Hotel. Big hotel left side is connecting by the beach. You see in this area is more quiet than the central of Sanur, isn't it? Oh no, how quiet it is. just no one here. Just very quiet in this area. Okay guys, now we are turn right and then we will explore SUDAMALA Street. So now we are in SUDAMALA Street. You see on the road, in this area is very quiet, isn't it? In this area there is a lot of hotel and not so much shop. Oh no, it's so quiet around here. We hope together this pandemic will be over as soon as possible, so we can live like normal as before. Okay guys, from SUDAMALA Street we will turn right and we will explore DANAU POSO Street. If I turn left, that is go to the airport or Kuta. But now we turn right and then we will explore DANAU POSO Street. So this is the condition at the moment in DANAU POSO Street. Some motorbike parking left side. Yeah, that is good. And some motorbike drive around and car also. I'm really happy to see that. You see how the blue weather today is very beautiful. In this area in DANAU POSO Street there is not so many hotel, but only local people stay here. Okay guys, from DANAU POSO Street we just cross the street and then we will explore SARI Street. You see left side, there is a lot motorbike and car parking there. I'm really happy to see that. Okay, now we cross the street and then we will explore SARI Street. In this area there is a lot of hotels but not so much shop. You see left side, there is big hotel. Also in the right side for sure. There is a lot of big hotel on the left side. Okay, I have to pay the ticket because there is the way to go to the beach. Actually, it's just like ticket parking to go to the beach. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment in Sanur area on September 2021. If you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment and share this video because I believe there's a lot of people missing this area. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.